Welcome to an Achieving Science video. Within this video we're going to provide an introduction to resultant forces. So if you remember, forces are vector quantities. This therefore means they can be shown by arrows. This is because forces have both magnitude, i.e. size, and a direction. Let's now have a look at how this can be applied to a scenario. Here we have a taxi. We can therefore draw on the forces acting upon this taxi using arrows, where the size and the direction are important. First of all, let's draw the upwards arrow, then a downwards arrow, a backwards arrow, and a forwards arrow. Let's now name these forces. The upwards arrow is to show upthrust. The downwards arrow shows weight. The backwards arrow shows friction. And the forwards arrow shows driving force. We can now add values to all of these arrows. 1000 newtons upthrust, 1000 newtons weight, 200 newtons friction, and 800 newtons driving force. Now we need to calculate the resultant force, which is where all the forces acting on an object can be replaced by a single force that has the same effect as all the original forces acting together. You need to be able to therefore calculate those forces acting on a straight line. So let us begin with a vertical force. We have 1000 up, 1000 down, and therefore if we subtract these together, we actually find out there is a 0 resultant force. Now for the horizontal, 200 back, 800 forward, which means there is a difference of 600 newtons acting forwards.